Shall we begin the day?
Hey babe, for today's video, we are going to unbox our Alexa. Let's get to it. And this is what Alexa looks like. Yay.
Alexa, continue playing. Tulog ka daan hadto kay aron sa yung buntag pag abre mga kita first sa line. Charot.
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next episode.